Hi, in this short video I show you my new toy. It's 6 piece of Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, but first I must say my English is not best. But many people wrote me if I can speak in English and not in my nature language, what is Czech. So in this video I try. So this is my new toy. It's 6 piece of laptop Lenovo Legion 5 Pro in top tier configuration. CPU AMD Ryzen 7 5800. It's 8 cores, 16 threads, and GPU is here very powerful Nvidia GeForce RTX3070 in variant 140 watts. Storage. It's classic 1TB SSD, NVMe, PCI Express 3, 4 lanes, and memory 16GB DDR4. So this is on fast look, and maybe during 1 or 2 weeks I create a longer video where will be unboxing, testing, teardown, and many more. So see you in next time. Bye.